Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm doing this after ages, like literally after ages. I'm back on my YouTube channel after almost 3 years, which is a long extended break. So some of you might recognize me because I still have 257 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I would really like to thank you for that, guys. Thank you for that love and support and sticking by me throughout. For the ones who are new to my channel and who are watching me for the first time, I am Vibra Patil and I reside at Mumbai. I was into blogging, so I started my blogging from the year 2014. 2016 to 19, I was into full-time blogging, wherein I had opportunity to work with many renowned brands, and I'm really grateful for that. Later to that, I had some other work commitments due to which my blog, videos, YouTube, and things like that started taking a back step, and I was unable to give the space required time. Now that we all are in this lockdown since past 5 months, I've been working from home, and now I could organize myself a routine wherein I could now dedicate them, few hours from the day to myself, and I just thought of doing what I love the most. So yes, I miss this. I miss writing up blogs, reviewing products, making makeup tutorials, basically posing in front of the camera. So I'm back here again, and I hope that I receive the same love and support again from all you guys. I just thought of giving myself a second chance because it's better late than never.
So let's start with our step-by-step tutorial. Started with the L'Oreal Revital Lift Crystal to prep my face. Just 2 to 3 drops are good enough for your entire face. Followed by a pore finish primer from PAC. This covers the open pores and help achieving that smooth desired base required for further applications of the products. Followed by using a green corrector, dotting it in the area to hide marks and blemishes. This corrector is from LA Girl, and I'm then later just blending it with my beauty blender. Followed by the foundation, using here Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydration Foundation. I'm in the shade 2.35. This foundation is lightweight and it does not dry off quickly. Easy to blend and has a buildable coverage from medium to full. It gives a very natural looking finish. I dot it with my fingertips and then using my foundation brush from PAC and blending it all over my face and neck area. Next, using LA Girl Concealer in the shade Medium Beige on the problem areas which need an extra coverage. I love their range of concealers. They are decently priced and helps getting the desired coverage. Using the same PAC foundation brush here to blend my concealer as well. Dusting the loose powder in the under eye area and on my T-zone using the loose powder by Natio. I'm just patting it on my face on the areas that tend to get oily and then dusting off the excess. Coming to my brows, using Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in the shade medium brown. Using the spoolie side to brush the brows and then just fill in the gaps to intensify my brows. Started with the eyes, using the shade from Urban Decay Naked Palette 3, Nooner. It's a soft mauve shade. I'm using this shade all over my lids, blending up to the crease and taking the same shade and smudging it on the lower lash line as well. Take time here, blend your eyeshadow well so that there are no harsh edges left. Taking the shimmery shade Dust from the same palette, just applying on the inner corners of my eyes. Moving on to my face, taking this trio for face sculptor from Isadora that includes bronzer, blusher and highlighter, very slightly contouring the hollows of my cheeks, jawline and nose. This bronzer is quite sheer, so it doesn't add a lot of color but adds the warmth to the skin. Taking the blush from the same palette, adding blush onto my cheeks. Using the same palette again and highlighting the high points of my face, from cheeks to my brow bone, some on the bridge of my nose and Cupid's bow. Coming back to my eyes, finishing my eye makeup with curling my lashes. And applying the coats of mascara on the upper and lower lashes. The mascara I'm using is from MAC, False Lashes Extreme Black. Lastly, starting with lining my lips using Kylie lip liner in the shade Poissy K. Just filling a little bit to create the base. Followed by the star product which pulled this entire look together, the liquid lipstick from Smashbox in the shade Gulabi. It's a beautiful, beautiful rose pink shade. It's my current favorite too. Just adding the hint of shine with the gloss from Nykaa in the shade Honey Boo. So this is my final look. Soft pink lips and keeping rest of my face a very neutral. This is so wearable for your day outs and also in the current scenario where most of us have Zoom meetings and conferences to attend, or also if any of you planning to have a virtual date. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I did in creating it, and I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification. We'll meet in the next video soon. Till then, take care and stay gorgeous.